this video, we are excited to unbox and durability test the best that Samsung has to offer. Its flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G. We have the titanium Whitesilver 12GB RAM 512GB premium version here with us to test out its actual real-life build quality. The Armor Aluminium design has a premium in-hand feel, yet it has an uncluttered, simple look even with a multitude of cameras at the back. It is of course IP68 rated as expected, and you can watch its underwater-proof freeze test with a twist later. The rest of the unboxing experience is as good as nothing, since what else can you expect from such a tiny box, which basically intends to carry the phone itself, nothing more. The only other stuff which you will get at premium price is literally the SIM ejector tool and a charging cable, nothing else really. Initial impressions are the premium feel of the silvery Grade 5 titanium frame, buttery smooth One UI 7.0, and the presence of the S Pen. Also known as the stylus, which we will be testing out underwater in the waterproof test next video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes in at a slightly heavy, like always, at 218 grams, and at the moment feels very sturdy in my usual trial bend. We will know the real build quality during the actual bend test. The real camera review will also be up later. The front has a 12 megapixel CMOS camera at f2.2 with a 80 degrees field of view. Video is at 8.29 megapixel at 60 fps. The primary camera is of 200 megapixel with Samsung ISOCELL sensor at f1.7 with an 85 degree field of view. A 50 megapixel ultra wide secondary camera at f1.9 120 degree angle of view. Third camera is a Sony IMX875 50 megapixel telephoto at 3.4 22 degree angle of view. And finally a telephoto 10 megapixel fourth camera at f2.4 with a 36 degree angle of view. We are quite nervous for the Corning glasses on both sides, especially the new one on the dynamic AMOLED side, since the last few devices scratch tested on the channel haven't quite been able to survive the blade abuse with heavy minute marks almost invisible on first look to the naked eye. On the other hand, devices which have survived in the past have always only been high quality glass protections from Corning, unlike poor quality ones mostly installed on BBK devices and failing the blade on a consistent basis. Fingers crossed that the almost 1.4 lakhs S25 Ultra manages to somehow survive all the scratch abuses thrown at it, including the dreaded blade. Everything looks fine to the naked eye, no scratches or even light marks on first look, but on closer look you can see a bunch of light marks on the AMOLED side, and there is a permanent mark on the frosted type of glass at the back. Now let's jump on the fun stuff value, the bend test, to gauge the actual real life build quality of devices. Is the titanium aluminum armor strong enough? There is definitely a slight bit of flex or bend degree from the first AMOLED side bend, noticed clearly near the third camera cutout, but nothing big to be alarmed about. A bit more of a bend degree from the backside bend. Still, the Galaxy S25 Ultra Feels like an aluminum brick. We had expected great build quality from the Armor Aluminium mid-frame, and that's exactly what we get. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is actually as strong as Armor, easily passing the bend test. Stay tuned for the underwater freeze test inside energy drink. Can the stylus be used underwater? And the real camera review with some shocking unexpected results.